Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, pag-aaralan natin ang evaluation of algebraic expression.
Like a Hellcat.
Let 3 be an element of the replacement set of x. Evaluate the algebraic expression x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 4. So, ang gagawin natin, isubstitute lang natin yung x into 3. So, yung x cubed, yan ay magiging 3 cubed. Minus 3x squared, yung x magiging 3 square plus 3 times 3 minus 4. So, what is 3 cubed? That is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, that is 9, and 9 times 3, that is 27. So, 3 cubed is equal to 27. Minus 3 squared, that is 9. That is 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 3 times 3, that is 9. Minus 4. So, 27 minus 3 times 9, that is 27. And 9 minus 4, that is 5, positive 5. 27 minus 27 is 0. At ang matitira na lang is 5. Next example, let 4 and 5 be an element of the replacement set of x and y. Evaluate the algebraic expression x squared y plus 2xy minus y squared plus 3. So, yung 4 and 5, substitute lang natin sa x and y. So, yung x is equal to 4. And y is equal to 5. So, ano yung algebraic expression? That is x squared y plus 2xy minus y squared plus 3. So, substitute lang natin. So, x is 4. So, 4 squared. And then, y is 5. Plus 2. X is 4. Then, 5 minus y squared. So, that is 5 squared plus 3. So, what is 4 times 4? That is 16 times 5, which is 5 pa rin. 2 times 4, that is 8. And 8 times 5, that is 40. Minus 5 squared, or 5 times 5, that is 25. Plus 3. So, what is 16 times 5? That is 80. Then, 40 minus 25, that is 15. Plus 3, and that is 18. So, that is positive 18. Then, 80 plus 18 is 98. So, that's the answer. Suppose the replacement set of x is 3, 4, and the replacement set of y is 1, 2, 3. Find all the values of x squared y plus 2xy minus y squared plus 3. So, we have x and y. Okay, so, ang replacement set ng x ay 3 at 4 lang. How about the y? So, we have 1, 2, and 3. 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 3, 4, 3, 4. Saan yung mga possible na values nila? So, substitute lang natin tong mga to. Unahin na natin yung 3 sa kawan. So, that is x squared y plus 2x y minus y square plus 3. Ito ay kapag 3 sa kawan. So, substitute lang natin. So, that is 3 square times y is 1 plus 2 times 3 times 1 minus 1 square plus 3. So, 3 square, that is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 2 times 3 times 1 is 6. Minus 1 square is 1. Plus 3. 9 plus 6, that is 15. Minus 1, that is 14. Plus 3, that is 17. So that is equal to 17. Next, kapag yung x and y naman is 4, 2. So, ano yung equation? That is x square y plus 2xy minus y square plus 3. So, x is 4. So, 4 square. Then, 2. Say y. So, 2. Then, 2 times x. So, 4. Times y is 2. Minus y. So, 2. Square. Plus 3. So, 4 square is 4 times 4, 16. Times 2. Plus 2 times 4, 8. Times 2, 16. Minus 2 square, that is 2 times 2, and that is equal to 4. Plus 3. Okay, so 16 times 2, that is 32. Plus 16 minus 4, that is 12. Plus 3, 15. So 32 plus 15, that is 47. Next, 3 and 3. So that is x square y plus 2xy minus y square plus 3. So x is 3 square times y is 3 then plus 2 times 3 times 3 minus 3 square plus 3. So what is 3 square? That is 9 times 3 plus 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18 minus 3 times 3, that is 9 plus 3. So 9 times 3, that is 27 plus 18 minus 9, that is 9 plus 3, that is 12. So 27 plus 12, that is 39. Next yung 4, 1. So we have 4 and 1. So na equation, that is x square y plus 2xy minus y square plus 3. So x is 4. So this is 4 square times y is 1 plus 2 times 4 times y is 1 minus y square, that is 1 square, plus 3. 4 square, 4 times 4, that is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. Plus 2 times 4, 8. Times 1, that is still 8. Minus 1 square, so that is 1. Plus 3. So 16 plus 8, that is 24. Minus 1, that is 23. Plus 3, so that is 26. Next, yung 3 to naman. So that is 3, 2. So x square y plus 2xy minus y square plus 3. So x is 3. So 3 square, y is 2 plus 2 times 3 times 2 minus y is 2. So 2 square yan plus 3. 3 square, that is 3 times 3, and that is 9 times 2 plus 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. Minus 2 square, 2 times 2, 4. Plus 3. 9 times 2, that is 18. Plus 12 minus 4, that is 8. And 8 plus 3, that is 11. And 18 plus 11, that is 29. Next. Doon naman tayo sa 4, 3. Yung sa last. 4 and 3. So that is x square y plus 2xy minus y square plus 3. So substitute lang natin. So that is 4 square y is 3 plus 2xy. So 2 times 4 times 3. Minus y square. So that is 3 square plus 3. 4 times 4, 16. Times 3 plus 2 times 4, 8. And 8 times 3, that is 24. Minus 3 times 3, 9. Plus 3. So what is 16 times 3? That is 48. So 48 plus 24 minus 9, that is 15. Plus 3, so that is 18. And 48 plus 18, that is equal to 66. So ibalikan natin yung tanong. So find all values of x square y plus 2xy minus y square plus 3. So ano yung mga nakuha nating sagot? So I have 17, 47, 39, 26, 29, and 66. Next example, let x be a negative number. What is the sign of x to the 7th power minus x to the 4th power? So mag-set lang tayo ng negative number na bilang value ng x. So let x equals to negative 2. Example lang to, negative 2. So negative 2 raised to 7 minus negative 2 raised to 4. So substitute lang natin. So what is negative 2 raised to 7? So i-multiply lang natin yung negative 2 sa negative 2 ng 7 beses. At ang makukuha nating sagot is negative 128. Minus negative 2 raised to 4, that is 16, positive 16. Okay, so napapansin nyo kapag yung exponent ay odd, ang sagot ay negative. At kapag yung exponent ay even, ang sagot ay positive. So negative, subtract mo sa positive, ang magiging sagot ay negative din. And that is negative 144. Okay, so anong sagot dito? So, ang tinatanong is yung sign. So, ano nga ba yung sign? That is negative. Next example, let x and y be both negative numbers. What is the sign of x squared minus y cubed? So, itong x saka y parang negative. So, dahil even yung exponent, yan ay magiging positive. Then, minus, so, negative din to, i-cube mo. So, yung exponent is odd, so, ang sagot is negative din. So, what is positive minus negative? So, dahil double negative yan, so yan ay magiging plus. So, this positive plus positive. Yung negative magiging positive. So, obviously, ang sagot is positive. Let x be a negative number and y positive. What is the sign of x raised to 5 minus y raised to 4? And how about y raised to 5 minus x raised to 4? So, unahin na natin tong x raised to 5 minus y raised to 4. So, x is negative number. So, that is negative number raised mo sa 5 minus y is a positive number. Positive number raised mo sa 4. So, negative number, kapag ni-raise mo sa 5, yung exponent is odd, so that is still negative. Minus, so dahil positive yun, so that is still positive. So, negative, bawasan mo pa ng positive, yan ay magiging negative. For example, negative 2 minus positive 3. So, negative 2 minus 3, that is negative 5. So, ang sagot ay still negative. How about y raised to 5 minus x raised to 4? So, y is positive. So, positive, erase mo sa 5, minus negative, so yung x is negative, erase mo sa 4. So, dahil positive yon, so that is still positive. Minus, so negative, erase mo sa 4 dahil even yon, so yan ay magiging positive. Okay, so ano yung sign niyan? So, hindi natin ma-determine kung positive o negative bang sign niyan. For example, yung x is negative 2 and yung y is positive 3. O, yan. So, that is 3 raised to 5 minus negative 2 raised to 4. So, 3 raised to 5, that is 243. Minus negative 2, erase mo sa 4, that is 16. 243 minus 16, that is 227. So, positive. Yun na yung sagot. How about if yung x ay equal sa negative 5 and yung y is equal to 1. So, negative yung x, then positive pa rin yung y. So, that is y raised to 5. So, 1 raised to 5 minus negative 5 raised to 4. So, 1 raised to 5 is still 1. Negative 5 raised to 4, that is 625. So, 1 minus 625, that is negative 624. This time, negative naman. So, hindi natin ma-determine kung ang sagot ba sa y raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 is positive or negative. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.